Former French football star Jean-Pierre Adams has died after being in a 39-year coma due to a medical error during routine knee surgery. He died at the age of 73. Reporting the NY Daily News on Tuesday, the 7th of September 2021, the defender's death was announced by his former clubs, Parise Saint-Germain and Nimes. In March 1982, Adams went to the Herriot Hospital in Lyon to repair a knee tendon he had injured in training camp, according to BBC News. But according to a CNN report, on that fateful day, many hospital staff went on strike. According to a CNN report, the operation could have waited, but the Senegal-born man ended up having the operation anyway. The BBC reports that between anesthesiologists and trainees, many mistakes were made, which led to Adams suffering a heart attack and brain damage.